Bubble play is a delightful and visually stimulating activity that captivates babies and older children alike. The simple act of blowing bubbles and watching them float and pop can significantly enhance your baby's hand-eye coordination and visual tracking skills. This fun and easy activity encourages physical movement, anticipation, and interaction with their environment. Let's see how bubble play can be a joyful addition to your baby's playtime. Activity: Bubble play. Getting started. Choose a safe, open area where you and your baby can comfortably sit or stand. If you're indoors, ensure the space is well ventilated. If outdoors, pick a calm day to prevent the bubbles from blowing away too quickly. Steps for play. Bubble blowing. Hold your baby in your lap or let them sit facing you. Use a bubble wand and solution to gently blow bubbles towards your baby. Let the bubbles float around your baby, encouraging them to watch and reach for them. Interactive play. Encourage older babies to try blowing bubbles themselves or chase and pop bubbles that are within safe reach. Narrate the action to enhance the learning experience, using phrases like, "Look at the bubbles floating up high," or "Can you pop the bubble?" Sensory exploration. Let your baby feel the texture of the bubble solution on their hands under close supervision. Explain the sensation as they touch the bubbles and feel them pop. Benefits. Hand-eye coordination. Trying to catch or touch the bubbles helps improve coordination between what they see and how they move their hands. Visual tracking. Watching the bubbles float and move through the air enhances your baby's ability to follow objects with their eyes. Motor skills development. For older babies, reaching out to pop bubbles encourages crawling or walking, aiding in gross motor skill development. Sensory stimulation. The unique texture and sensation of bubbles popping provide a gentle sensory experience. Tips for a successful bubble play. Use non-toxic, baby-safe bubble solution to ensure safety during play. Start with a few bubbles at a time to avoid overwhelming your baby. If playing outdoors, apply appropriate sun protection to your baby's skin. After playtime, gently clean your baby's hands and face to remove any residue from the bubble solution. Bring a sparkle to your baby's eyes and a smile to their face with the simple joy of bubble play. It's an enchanting way to support their development while having fun. For more creative and developmental play ideas, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Explore our resources designed to foster growth, learning, and unforgettable moments of joy in your baby's early years.